In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email invoices from QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean, accurate invoice and send it to your customer directly from QuickBooks Online. First, sign into QuickBooks and head to your dashboard. Move your mouse over the Create or New button to open the menu of transaction types. This is your shortcut to building anything from bills to sales receipts, and in our case, an invoice. Choose Invoice. The invoice form opens with fields for your customer, dates, terms, and line items. QuickBooks will automatically assign an invoice number and set the date, but you can adjust those if needed. Keeping these details consistent helps with your bookkeeping and makes reporting cleaner. Select your customer. Make sure the customer profile includes a valid email address because that's where the invoice will be sent. If the email is missing, add it here so you don't have to come back later. It's also a good moment to confirm billing address and currency, especially if you work with international clients. Next, add a product or service from your existing catalog. Pick the item that best matches what you're billing for and confirm the quantity and tax settings. Using predefined items keeps your descriptions and accounting categories consistent, which saves time and reduces errors down the road. In the description field, type a clear, friendly explanation of what you're invoicing. Include details like the project name, service period, or scope of work so your customer immediately understands the charge. Clear descriptions lead to fewer follow-up questions and faster payments. Enter the rate. QuickBooks will calculate the amount automatically based on the quantity and rate you provide. Double-check totals, taxes, and any discounts. If you attach supporting documents like a signed estimate or timesheet, QuickBooks can include them with the invoice email or as a PDF attachment. When everything looks good, select Review and Send. QuickBooks prepares an email draft using your default template. Take a moment to review the recipient's email address, the subject line, and the message body. Keep the message concise and professional, and make sure the option to include a PDF is selected if your customer prefers attachments. If you've enabled online payments, the payment link will appear automatically in the email and on the invoice. Finally, click Send Invoice. QuickBooks will confirm it's been sent and the invoice status will update accordingly. Your customer receives a copy with a direct link to view and pay. You can track the invoice later from your sales list to see if it's been viewed or paid. That's it. You've created, reviewed, and emailed an invoice right from QuickBooks.